Good morning. Myself Shiny. Today I'm going to explain on the topic speed and velocity. First, I would like to explain on the topic speed. What is meant by speed? Speed means distance traveled by it per unit time. Distance traveled per unit time. Distance traveled per unit time. Speed is denoted by the letter V. Speed is denoted by the letter V. V or S we can use. Okay. Speed is denoted by the letter V or S. S we can use. Yes. Speed S is equal to distance divided by time. D means distance. Distance. T means time. Distance per unit time. What is the SI unit of speed? What is the SI unit of speed? We know that here distance unit is meter. Here distance unit is meter. Time unit is second. Then we can write SI unit of speed is SI unit. SI unit of S means speed. Speed is meter per second. Maybe some of the textbook SI unit is meter per second, but they are using other units also. Okay, we can use meter per second. One more, centimeter per second. Next, one more we can use kilometer per hour. First is meter per second, second is centimeter per second, third is kilometer per hour. Okay, SI unit is meter per second. For example, one person, we can consider one person, that is A. A person moves from A to B. Just imagine this is, okay, we can take in meter, okay, 10 meter we can take. A to B, that is 10 meter. Then here we can take that the time is 2 seconds. Time is 2 seconds. How to calculate speed? Speed, we know that S is equal to distance by time. Then distance means 10 meter divided by 2. Then answer is 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second. Okay. In textbook they have given numericals. After this theory part, I will take numerical also. Then speed is a scalar quantity. It's not a vector quantity, it's a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity already studied, only having magnitude, no direction. Okay. Next one, what are the types of speed? Types of speed. Speed are of three types. First is average speed, second is uniform speed, third is non-uniform speed. First, average speed. Average speed means total distance traveled divided by total time. Total distance traveled per total time. Okay. Then we can write average speed, AVG, average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance. Total distance divided by total time. Total time. For example, first a person moves from A to B. Then again B to C. First it is 10 meter. Again it is 5 meter. Just assume. First it is 10 meter. Second it is 5 meter. Here it is, we can take 3 seconds. Here is 2 seconds. Then total distance is equal to 10 plus 5. Then 15 meter. Total time means 3 plus 2, 5 seconds. Then 15 by 5, 5 meter per second. Average speed is 3 meter per second. Okay, this is average speed. Next one is uniform speed. Uniform speed means a body is said to be in uniform speed if it covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Equal distance in equal interval of time. For example, here we are taken that first is 10 meter, second also 5 meter. Here A to B we can take 10 meter, equal distance, here also 10 meter, here also 10 meter. Then here is 3 seconds, here is also 3 seconds. Okay, understood? Equal distance, equal time. Here 10 meter, 3 seconds. Here also 10 meter, 3 seconds. Equal distance in equal interval of time. Next one, non-uniform speed. Non-uniform speed means a body is said to be in non-uniform speed if it covers equal distance and unequal interval of time. Time is not equal, it is unequal. That means first case is 3, second is different, 2 seconds. Distance same but unequal interval of time. Time is different. Okay. Next topic is velocity. Velocity means next one is velocity. Okay. Velocity is denoted by the letter V. Velocity is denoted by the letter V. Velocity means rate of change of displacement. Rate of change of displacement. Velocity means rate of change of displacement or distance. For example, distance is changing according to time also changing. Rate of change of displacement. Rate of change of distance. Then velocity, one more. Velocity means distance traveled. Distance traveled by it per unit time in a specified direction. Only speed and velocity, only one difference. Speed I told, distance traveled by it per unit time. Velocity means distance traveled by it per unit time in a specified direction. We have to mention that direction also. That means velocity is which quantity? Vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. Vector quantity means we have to mention that direction also. Towards east, towards west, towards south, towards north. We have to mention direction. For example, that distance, otherwise displacement, distance. Distance means we can write velocity v is equal to distance. Maybe it is 30 meter. Okay. Then time we can take 3 seconds. 30 by 3, 10 meter per second. This is actually not correct. It's a type of speed only. 30 by 3, 10 meter per second. But we have to mention that direction also. We can write from where to where it is moving, towards east. This is velocity. What is the SI unit of velocity? Distance means displacement. Distance means SI unit is meter. Time SI unit is second. Then velocity also same unit, SI unit, meter per second. Here also we can use kilometer per second, centimeter per second also. Okay. Next one, what are the types of velocity? What are the types of velocity? What are the types of velocity? First one is average velocity. First is average velocity. Average velocity means total displacement by total. Average speed means total distance by total time. Here difference is total displacement by total time. Everything we have to mention velocity in terms of it is a vector quantity. Direction we have to mention. Total average velocity. Average we can short form we can write like this. Average velocity is equal to total displacement divided by total time. Okay. Next one is uniform velocity. A body is said to be in uniform motion, uniform velocity. A body is said to be in uniform motion if it covers equal displacement in equal interval of time. In case of speed, uniform speed means equal distance in equal interval of time. In case of uniform velocity, equal displacement in equal interval of time. Last class already we discussed what are the difference between distance and displacement. Okay? Then a body is said to be in uniform motion if it covers equal displacement in equal interval of time. For example, displacement distance from A to B, this is 50 meter. This is 2 seconds. Again, this is 50 meter. Then again 2 seconds. Okay. Next one is non-uniform velocity. What is non-uniform velocity? A body is said to be in non-uniform velocity if it covers equal distance. Distance is equal but unequal interval of time. Time is different. Here is both case it is 2 I have written. Maybe time is different. Here we can write 3 seconds. Okay. Today I discussed first is speed, types of speed. Next one is velocity and types of velocity. Thank you. Tomorrow we will discuss on the topic acceleration and its type.